Hello and welcome to full motion HTML course. In this tutorial we are going to update the codes index as index.html. In this tutorial you will know about how can make a complete HTML which we show on the browser page for the editors such as the Visual Studio Code, PyCharm and Python. I prefer Visual Studio. It's a simple editor. We can use it. For this we navigate on the folder and open the Visual Studio Code. From the file we can open a folder, a new folder, and we can use two kinds of folder. One is open workspace from file, and other the open folder. The open folder is better. We can update different kinds of codes as same time. By this we can open a folder and we can select the folder of full motion. Inside this folder full motion we have got index.html and we have got index.js with JavaScript, and we have got index.css. That means index HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language which makes the structure and skeleton of HTML page, and CSS page is a skin of internet page, which make select the font size and color and feature each element of a template or a page. And the GS is a secretary and the water system of internet page, which make livable the CSS and index.html. For this purpose we should open folder, and we can before the beginning of this editing of these codes, we should save all the photos and video inside this folder binding of image. And after that we should make a banner image for our HTML page by the name of banner cover, and we can make a complete beautiful banner for our page, and we can share or put video as the MP4 format or WebM format, and we can put behind banner image which we show on our HTML page. So at the first we should select, we should write name our HTML page, and give a name for it. What kinds of name is no matter what kinds of title to select for this format. In this title HTML element, we have got 8 element, and inside this title element we can write the title of this template, which we show on the Google page or Google or HTML page. Inside this we can call this title button, for example HTML page. And after that we have got these codes. These codes are constant and which have got a self connection with CSS, and CSS make their their font size and their font color, such as meta name is the attribute. It has got a value by the name of inside this double quotation viewport. Viewport is a value which is selected by CSS page, and selected is color and font size by CSS page. And content is another attribute which make and select the white size and the height size of this banner photo, or for example this template. And we have got a link element. Link element is an as an attribute by the name of real sheet. Real sheet is a value which has got a self connection with CSS page. It's a color and font size of this link or this codes. Inside body element we have got a banner. At the first we should identify this banner to our page by the name of ID. Body ID is equal, inside the quotation we can write out the top. Top is select the position of banner. Where should be selected, or we should post this banner on the HTML page. For example, we have got a banner by the name image by the name of banner.jpg. We can write it's by the name of banner.jpg. jpg is a format of this banner. And if we're going to share a video which we show behind this banner image on our page, we should select and write before this we should save this banner video in our image folder, like here you can see as mp4 format by the name format.mp4, and we can write down banner.mp4 format. If we run the program at the first, we should save this codes we have edited, and after that, and then we can go ahead to terminal and run the program. It's the HTML page or a template we have created it. This title is HTML page. The format title or the page title is course for beginner. It's the banner we have put it, this image banner, and we have put it the video banner like this. You can see. Go ahead and we have got the section. Inside section element we can choose banner photo, and after that we can write the title of this banner. For example, course for beginner, we can call different kinds of name for this. For example, beginner banner, beginner course. No matter what kinds of title we select for this. Inside P element we can distribute, we can give more information about this page inside this P element. And we have got A element. Href is equal number main. It has got means self connection with CSS page. And classes, we can we can give more information about this page. The researcher can access to more information, and we can learn more inside this attribute. If you are going to make a video box for our page, for this purpose we can share a video inside the box and make a thumbnail for this video, such as YouTube thumbnail. For this purpose, at the first we should put these codes like a div element, h element, and p element. So for this div element, class is equal inner. Its value is inner. Inner is self connection between two pages, such as index.html and CSS page, which has got a self connection between to each other. And div class is a inside box element. We have got div class. Div class is equal thumbnail. Thumbnail is we select the video that we show on side of video box. We can share that video we are going to share for our page. We should write its link inside here. For example, h element href is equal, inside double quotation we can write its link. For example, we are going to share a video from YouTube page. We can just write its link as YouTube link. That video we are going to show on the index HTML page. If you are going to make a div class and give a title for this video box, at first we have got the image attribute, we just select that the banner image or the thumbnail image of this video box. For this purpose, rc or source is equal inside double quotation. You can write down image slash full.jpg. jpg is a format that image or photo, and alternate is equal. We can distribute or give more information about this thumbnail or about this video box we show under this video, and we can call this video, for example, video box create kb.app. We can write down various type of name for this. For example, application. This video is about application creating. No matter what kinds of name do you choose for your video box. Inside p element, we can distribute. We can for example, give more information about this video. Inside of this p element, we can write down, if you are going to share this link or share is this video link, this video to our page, user can by clicking on the video can get or can access to the main page, such as YouTube page. Inside e element, it's just possible by e element. We can write down, for example, href is that video links inside here. And the program HTML page, begin course for video box. So video, you can click on watchword and see, and we can and banner.inner. I got inner connection, internal connection with CSS page, and it has got internal connection with index.html. We can select its color, background color, and banner color from here. RGB color. We can write, for example, we can write its font weight. Is the work of CSS. We can do a lot of works from here. We can bring difference and many more change from on the font size and the background size and the format of each word, each element. Go ahead and they are the same. We can make much more video box, create the div class. Inside this we can put image name and video name and video link and video format, and we can select this font size from here, horizontal and vertical font size, and box size we can select from here. And we have got footer element. Inside this footer element, what we can do, inside the UL element we have got class is equal icons. Icons is a value, is belong to this class attribute. It just choose the color and font size and background color of icons. Each color, for example, Twitter color, Twitter icons color, or YouTube color, YouTube icons color, or Facebook or YouTube. Inside the UL element, we have got a class is equal icons. Inside this double quotation, we have got all li element. Inside this element, we have got a element. Each of is equal. We can write a link of, for example, social media like Twitter inside here. And class is an attribute. We can write as value, for example, icon fa-Twitter. I've got span element. Inside this span element, class should be as label. It means the icons of inside this a element is of equal connect and write the link of the video we are gonna to share and connect with our copyright words inside this HTML page. Is the link of JavaScript. We are going to link our JavaScript, for example, main.query.main.js, for example, or the query.main.js. We are going to connect this index HTML and the other page such main.css with JavaScript. We can write. We can put this codes inside here. If we are going to save these codes and run the program, we can see the change. It's our page, the template. You can go ahead on other video. We have made a video box for them for them to watch. For example, this application coding is title force estimation by this element, for example, p element. Inside this class is equal copyright, and title it, for example, dot design. Inside this a element is java equal connect and write the link of the video we are gonna to share and connect with our copyright words inside this HTML page. Is the link of JavaScript. We are going to link our JavaScript, for example, main.query main.js, for example, or the query main.js. We are going to connect this index HTML and the other page such main.css with JavaScript. We can we can put this codes inside here. If we are going to save these codes and run the program, we can see the change. It's our page, the template. You can go ahead on other video. We have made a video box for them for them to watch. For example, this application coding, its title, force estimation, and others. It's the social media for link like Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and YouTube. You just share your WhatsApp links inside this index HTML. Is the copyright, is the cover photo and the cover video we have made it for our HTML page. Go ahead and see the main.js. It's the JavaScript page.